My wife and I have traveled and moved so much over our lifetime that when we settled down and said this is going to be our forever home, you know, we wanted to kind of do the economical thing, and the long-term investment for solar being a clean, renewable energy was kind of a no-brainer for us. The professionalism with Ian and Chris and other members of the team that we haven't even met, leaps and bounds. Taking the time to develop, all right, how many panels do we need? You know, what kind of draw are we really looking at? Because, you know, as the average homeowner, I'm not real sure on how many kilowatts I'm going through. I can look at my bill and kind of get an estimate, but at the end of the day, you know, getting that custom tailor design for the potential for expansion. You know, am I going to be able to expand? Because that's important to me. I don't want to, you know, spend all of this money now and then be stuck with a very limited capacity. You could say that you have the best team because everybody says they have the best installers, the best mechanics, the best, you name it. But at the end of the day, the proof is in the pudding. And day one, mine was put right at ease, the competency of the team, and I was able to see the care that they took with the installation. You know, fast, efficient, and the materials that they were using all said that this was going to be the installation that I was hoping for. CKR has clearly demonstrated themselves to be leaps and bounds ahead of the competition in every aspect of dealing with them. In solar, you're investing in yourself. You really are. If you're going to buy a home, that's your home. It's something that you are investing in yourself. If you have the ability, the means, the resources, I strongly recommend giving it a consideration. I would tell anybody who's willing to listen, give CKR a call and hear them out. You've got nothing to lose except a couple hours of your time.